Hey everybody, it's Jim of Animateducated. I just wanted to share with you a short film that I made. This was made a while ago. This is like kind of after I got out of high school. This was all shot in on Super 8 with paper and pencil and marker. There's a little bit of cell paint in there, but not much. And enjoy. Well, I hope you enjoyed To Fly Like the Birds. Yeah, that was a film I made like about before I went to college and years and years ago. And it was done without an animation stand. I just had a tripod and some lights and a peg bar and some paper. And I made it 2D. And so anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. So if you enjoyed that and that just changed your life, you can press that button right there to subscribe to this channel, or you can take a look at I've got some interviews here that you might be interested in. And we'll see you next time on Animated Educated.